How can we use Trapper AI's artificial intelligence tool? Well, we click on start recording, then go. As you can see, they give us this tool that we should have, right? We click add extension and it's an extension, okay? It's not a standalone program. To be honest, I don't like it much. I'd prefer a program because what if I want to record outside Chrome, you know, right? So anyway, step 2 is to open the extension, okay? I clicked record. So let's do it. We open the extension, allow it to record us, no problem. Let's set the input. In this case, the input is in Spanish. The mic is good. Watch out. Wow, how many mics, huh? It's the same one 3 times. Not sure why, but okay. Hit start recording, allow, please allow. The whole window, right? The whole window, of course. Then they tell us to capture the step. Well, and we're recording now, okay? This is how you can use this tool. So it says step 3 there. Click on the AI generated content to see your draft. It ends, but I guess that's when I'm done, right? As you can see, we can also upload an existing video if we don't want to record. Well, I think that's enough, isn't it? I'm going to stop sharing. Enough. I've shared enough. Let's hit generate and see. Let's see how it processes the video. Theoretically, it was supposed to be an AI recorder. I think it had little AI in it. They lied to me. They might have lied to me. That would be a shame. It'd be a shame, but let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Here's the result. Yes, indeed. We'll hit play and wow, it's taken my voice and used an AI one. I'll let you listen to it. To stop or not, I'm not sure. And we're recording now, okay? This is how you can use this tool. So it says step 3 there. Click on the AI generated content to see your draft. And here, but I guess this is when I'm done, right? As you can see, we can also upload an existing video if we don't want to record. Well, I think that's it. That's enough, isn't it? All right, so for some voice, they've taken my Spanish voice, removed it, and put it in whatever language they wanted. Well, no, it's in Spanish, but why use AI if they already had my voice? Here they give you the steps. Oh my goodness. They give you a blog, a doc. Wow, this is definitely broken. This is really broken, folks. Wow, with photos, screenshots, and everything. Yeah, right. How much does this tool cost? Wow, this could be really good for creating a website. We plan to create a website and wow. Hey, did it use up my AI credit? No, I don't think so. Why not? Because I haven't exported it. It lets me change the audio track, AI voice. Oh, so I can't choose my own. I don't like that, you know. You can add music, visuals, zooms, right? And an AI avatar, just like that. The only thing I disliked is losing my voice. Why? And here we have the document, see? This doc explains how to use a video tool and start recording. This seems amazing for making websites. It's true, it might not be perfectly written, right? Let's be honest. But not bad at all. So, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in future videos. Bye.